Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to arctanx of s. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the s over s squared plus 1 dv. We have l and s ds. So now I will show you the technique how to find this integration. So we need to use about integration by parts. Now we put about u equals to l and s. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. dv equals to the s. The integration of this one, we have v equals to s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration s ds over s. So this one we have the s, the integration of the s, we have s, and I will put about c. Now this one, so we have v equals to s l and s minus s. Now we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration s l and s minus s over s squared plus 1. So negative and negative in here, we have positive. So the integration of s over s squared plus 1, we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of s squared plus 1. Now we just concentrate about this integration. So I will use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to l and s. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the s over s dv. We have s over s squared plus 1 ds. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of s squared plus 1. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v Now I will concentrate about this integration. Next, I will multiply s on numerator and denominator. Now, we can use about integration by substitution. So, I will put about negative u equals to s squared. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. So we don't have number 2 in here, so we divide both sides by number 2. This one we change by negative u. Negative u. S ds we change by negative du over 2. So the integration of this one, we have li number 2 of u. This is about Dilogarithm integration. This is about special integral, and I will put about c. Now about u, that is about negative s squared. So because we put the negative go to the right. Now we need to go back in here. So we put this one go in here. So negative 1 over 2, negative 1 over 2, we have 1 over 4. Now we go back to this one. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. And we put the absolute value in here and here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.